Dr. A back in the garden with you. This is so much fun, but I'm looking at a little scene with some sunflowers. That's Sunfinity. But the one I really want to show you is this Buddleia. Everybody knows Buddleia, butterfly bush. And some of them are cranky and tall and ugly as sin. But this is really a cool one. First of all, it shows you that it's not too tall. It's maybe 3.5 feet. And the flower color is spectacular. This has been blooming for such a long time. It's almost August here in Athens, Georgia. It's been going through the heat and the rain and all those cool things, but it is in its glory. This is Prince Charming, one I recommend strongly, but Buddleias are easy. If they get too big, whack them back. They're tough and they come back. Enjoy. Come see me in beautiful Athens, Georgia, and we'll do some butterfly bushing together. All the best.